Kenya hoye! Kenya hoye! Mheshimiwa Rais wa Jamhuri ya Kenya William Ruto, Mama wa Taifa Bi Rachel Ruto, Wakenya wenzangu na pia wenzetu ambao wamefika hapa kutoka nchi jirani ya Uganda. Mr. President, allow me to say two things before I invite you. The first one is to acknowledge how far we've come as a country in the manner in which today music, the arts, the creatives are not just part of the experience in our schools, but music, the arts, and the creatives are part and parcel of the curriculum in our schools. Your Excellency, as we continue implementing the competence-based curriculum under your leadership, it is gratifying to see students and pupils not only participating in music as an extracurricular activity, but also studying music for purposes of career and occupation into the future. Therefore, what this means, Your Excellency, is that we are recognizing that talent in music, the arts and the creatives is as good as talent in mathematics, the sciences, the humanities, and all the other fields that are available within the spectrum of knowledge. I remember with sadness, and I know the adults in the room here will agree with me, those that were fortunate to go to school, the many talented classmates and schoolmates who had great talent in athletics and music, but because our education system in the past did not appreciate the place of these talents in terms of nation building and economic development, those old classmates, schoolmates, never made it in life. Many of them, with their great talents, ended up living their adulthood in poverty, while God had placed in their hands great talent which would have taken them far, the same way engineers, mathematicians, lawyers, doctors would use their talent to prosper. So, Your Excellency, you are helping us correct a historical mistake that we collectively did as a nation. The second and last thing, Your Excellency, by way of remark, is to appreciate also that into the future, music, the arts, and the creatives are going to help us develop the right national software that will take our nation to the vision of a new Kenya beyond 2030. Listening to the children and pupils and students who have participated here, from toddlers to university students and teachers, music can be a powerful tool for promoting positive values, for promoting patriotism, national unity. And these are the values that will provide the software that will help us now use the infrastructure we are creating and the other aspects of transformation of our pillars of economic development. The software that will take us to the first world includes hard work, integrity, patriotism, and all the other things that music, through a festival like this one, is promoting. And therefore, Your Excellency, this is an important nation-building exercise and activity, as important as an infrastructure conference would be, or a conference to discuss energy, manufacturing, agricultural transformation, etc., etc. Muziki ni fire, si fire. Muziki ni fire, si fire. So, Mr. President, as I invite you, I want to applaud those organizations in the public sector, private sector, who continue to support and supplement government financing for this festival. I have seen Equity Bank here, from private sector, among others, but I've also seen items here sponsored by the Central Bank of Kenya. I want to appreciate these organizations and hope that many more public sector and private sector organizations will see the value of this activity to what they do and to a stable country, to a prosperous country, to a wealthy country, even as we look into the future. With those many remarks, Your Excellency, Mr. President, I want to request you with humility to come and address us. Rais Ruto aendelee asiendelee? Rais Ruto ni fire si fire? Aendelee asiendelee? Welcome, Mr. President.